This is your appointment scheduler. All appointments are shown here. You can filter your appointments by employee, service, or multiple. They all work together. You can also search by customer name, employee name, service name, or location name. If we want to find everything that Logan has been assigned to, we search by his name. You see the grid filtering just as quick as you type. You can change the view from week to day, work week, month. We'll stick with week for now. You can also navigate the scheduler by going back and forth, or selecting a date. Let's add a new appointment by double-clicking or tapping anywhere that's unoccupied. You can search the grid by name. Everybody named Philip. You can even add a new record. Only first and last are required for now. You can edit phone number and address info later. For now, let's choose Logan. We have a start and end date. Let's make the end a little bit later. You can choose to have this appointment repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. And now you want to select the location, an employee, and a service. We're also going to confirm the appointment with this employee. We'll look at that in a second. Add in some notes. We'll save our changes. We switch to the phone now. You see that we have an app alert that indicates we requested an appointment approval. We can accept or reject right from here by clicking these buttons, or we can click the alert itself and go in and see a list of all of our pending appointments. Let's accept the one we just made. Save our changes. Now that appointment has been accepted. Go back to our scheduler. You can see our new appointment here has a green hand indicating it's been accepted. A yellow question mark means it's still waiting on an acceptance, and a red thumbs down means it's been rejected. We can view the list of appointments that are waiting on accepting or rejecting on this grid right here. We go back to the scheduler. We want to look at one more thing, the settings of the scheduler. We can group the scheduler by employee, location, customer, and service. Let's group by location, see how that looks. Hit apply, and here our scheduler is grouped by location. And again, we could change the day or work week or month. Editing an appointment, whether in grouped view or ungrouped view, is the same. You can double click on an appointment to edit it and hit save. We can delete an appointment by clicking the X and confirming. And you can move an appointment just by dragging it. You can even move it when grouped by something to a different group, and the edit will be made for you. Note that the location is determining the color. All appointments are blue unless the location has been assigned a color in the location screen editor. If you edit an appointment resulting in an invalid value that doesn't pass one of your validations, say for example, violating the work week validation, you'll get an alert saying that there was a validation error. If you're a system or shift admin, you'll be able to override the validation with a reason. If you're not, you'll need to make a correction. Go ahead and hit cancel for now. Note that dragging the appointment also results in validation with the same override capabilities. And that's it.